YouTube, how are you all going? Silvio's not here yet, but we've just arrived at the e-solar shop. This is his brand new shop. He owns this one. You can't see it in the video, but if you go and look on the website, there's lots of solar panels up there powering it. This is the first run for the new ute as well, first long run. It's hot today and I got the air conditioner running in there for the missus. There's the prices. Alright. As you all know, Silvio imports all of his own gear. His solar panels work absolutely beautiful. His batteries are top notch as well. And because he imports all of his own gear and doesn't buy from a wholesaler in Australia, there is no middleman. So yeah, come and have a chat to Silvio if you're looking for a really reasonably priced system that works great. And as it says, Silvio's got actually over 30 years in the solar industry, okay? Alright, I'll show you his inside when he gets here. Okay, so Silvio just got here to open the shop up for me. He's got everything here on display. And there he is down there working hard. He never stops, that man, I tell you. And then we come out the back, and this is the first part. He's got others down there apparently, but look at this. He's got it all nicely worked out. Forklift. Fridge and the kettle there, most important part. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. He's done really good. This is a lot more room in this warehouse than there was in the other one. Alright, so there's a look at e-solar's new shop. Like I said out the front, because he imports the gear himself, there's no middlemen. You want the best price in Perth or the southwest or even Western Australia, you come and see this man. Give him a call. Alright, I'll see you when we get home again. Oh, that was a long day. We got back and it's Choppy Dog's dinner time. So he's eating his dinner. He was happy to see us home. The car was absolutely brilliant, eh? To drive up there and back. Absolutely brilliant. I picked up a couple of 12-volt batteries. 100 amp hour, they're KX12100s. That's 100 amp hour with C10 rating. I picked up a solar panel. That's 320 or 325 or 335 or something, I don't know. I'll know when I get it off tomorrow. But look how easy it is to tie stuff in. Alright. Just in that hole there. Diagonal across. In that hole there. Alright. And that's tight, you know, you could crack a flea on that. But what a day, it was a great day actually. We went up, Silvio opened the shop up for me. I got what I needed for the next lot of tests, for the 12 and 24 volt inverters. Then we went and had a lovely meal and everything with Silvio and his lovely wife. She's German like my wife, so yeah, it was great. It was great. Absolutely fantastic. Thoroughly enjoyed it. And it's good to be home safe. Chopper really missed us. Really missed us. But we're home now, because usually either myself or Ziggy always try and be home with him, mainly because of his age, nothing else. Hey mate, you're a good boy. You are. But boy, it was a hot day today. Up in Perth when we left, I have a beautiful sea breeze coming in. Here, not really. Dead air. Maybe the slightest of breeze. Alright, so that's my video. I hope you enjoy it. Remember, if you need a system at the right price and you're in the southwest or up north of Perth or in Perth, go and see Silvio. He's a gentleman, and without e-solar I would not be able to do these 12 volt and 24 volt testing. You know, it's just getting gear at the right price just makes it so much easier for me to test these inverters, so we can add them to the program. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. Alright, that's it. It was a stinking hot day today. I don't know what it was down here, but it was hot. The poor old Choppies has still got his tongue hanging out a mile, and that's a big tongue. But anyway, alright, keep safe everyone. Enjoy life, and bye for now.